Hi everyone, my name is Aditi Mehta and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Air Shopping REST APIs. And today I wanted to talk to you about Advanced Calendar Search. It is one of our newest Air Shopping APIs, and I wanted to give you a little bit information so that way you can understand what's difference between Advanced Calendar versus some of our other Air Shopping services we have here. So for example, InstaFlights returns back 300 options for a specific origin and destination and a specific travel date. Lead Price Calendar will give you back all of the lead fares for a variety of or range of travel dates, but Advanced Calendar goes a little bit beyond both of these APIs in that it returns up to 200 round-trip flight itineraries for a variety of qualifiers or a variety of parameters. So for example, if you were interested in only traveling a specific days of the week, or if you were flexible on whether you were going in March or if you were going in April, or if there were other parameters that you wanted to narrow down your search, you could put that all into one call and then bring back up to 200 options. So lots and lots of functionality in this API. There's a lot you could do with it. And here within Sabre Dev Studio, you could take a look at our documentation. We have request response examples. We give you a lot of information on how to use the API and what it would look like. But one of the best ways for me to demonstrate this API is to use our GUI demo that we've created. Okay, so in order for me to really show you the functionality for Advanced Calendar Search, I'm going to demo through our GUI scenario. Let's say that my friend and I, we really want to go to Miami. We're flexible as to when we go. We can go either in February or March, but since this is probably going to be a weekend trip, we want to travel either Thursday or Friday and come back on Sunday or Monday. We also want to see whether we should go just for 3 days or 4 days, and all of that depends on the fare that we get. So coming here into our GUI here, we could just put in, we want to leave from DFW. I want to go to Miami, and there's 2 of us. And we could choose also how many itineraries we want to see. Like I said, you could go up to max of 200, but let's just say I don't want to make it too confusing, so I'm only going to choose about 10 right now. There aren't necessarily any preferred carriers we want to do. I could put like, oh, I only want to fly United Airlines because that's where I get my miles. I could also exclude certain carriers if I wasn't interested in. And I could also sort by either the fare or the date. How do I want to actually see this? The results. So I'm going to put down fare right now so that way I can get an idea of what's the cheapest way for me to go. Okay, now that we have some of the basics in, let's put in our departure information. Like I said, I am flexible going anytime in February or March, but I really want to leave on either Thursday or Friday. And then my return, I want to come back on a Sunday or Monday. And I'm also flexible on how many days I stay. So minimum, I want to stay 3 days, but I could go for 4 days as well. I want to see what would be the cheapest for me. So now I could just submit all of these parameters at once, and we should get back a response. Now, just while we're waiting, to give you an idea, this is an API that's powered by our Travel Insights engine. So it's a cache-based response. So you get back results relatively very quickly. So here you could see the exact response time from this call, and it's a pretty complex call. Now here you can see the cheapest time for me to go would be March 20th through March 24th. So it's a 4-day stay. And this is my itinerary information. And we keep going down. There's different options. This one's giving me about 10 options for that date or that date range. And then I could also go the 12th and come back the 16th, and I'll have options there as well. So as you can see, I'm getting back tons of different options for my specific parameters, and I can sort either by fare or date just to get a better idea of when I should go and which ticket I should actually go with. So again, lots and lots of functionality with this API, and you could definitely play around with it and see the different parameters that you could use. So if you have any questions about Advanced Calendar Search or any of the Air Shopping APIs that you see, please don't hesitate to contact the Sabre Dev Studio team, and we'll be happy to help. I hope you enjoy playing around with Advanced Calendar Search.